this is Jennifer Scharf from the Coppola Firm, and this is the third in our medical series about personal injury cases. And today's topic is, what is an IME? Well, an IME stands for an independent medical examination, but the word independent probably is not the best way to describe what this medical examination really is. An IME arises when somebody is in an accident and has brought a claim, like a car accident, for example, and the person paying the medical bills, and oftentimes in a car accident, it's an insurance company, they get the right to have the individual who's hurt examined by a doctor of their choosing. And the role of that independent medical exam doctor is to evaluate the person who's injured and to develop a record that is somewhat different from the treating doctor, so that the insurance company has a way to explain or defend their case. So a lot of times what you're going to find out from after an independent medical exam is the IME doctor will say that somebody isn't hurt at all, or they're not as badly hurt as they say they are, or they might be hurt, but it wasn't caused by the accident. So there are a few tips we have for going to an IME. And yes, if you get an IME notice, you do have to attend. But here are some tips if you do have to go. First of all, bring someone with you. At the Coppola Firm, we like to have someone from our office attend with our clients. We like to have somebody who's there to act as a witness, who can confirm exactly what happened, what the conversations were, what types of exams were done, and how long they took, and to take good notes on those exams. Second, as always, you have to be completely honest and cooperative during an independent medical exam. You shouldn't be exaggerating your pain or discomfort. They're looking for those kinds of things. You should always be truthful and honest. You shouldn't underplay or say that your injuries are not as bad as they are. You just have to be truthful and explain how the injuries are affecting your life. You don't have to talk about the facts of how the accident happened. You're there to just talk about your medical condition. Remember that this IME doctor is going to be looking for instances of exaggerations or inconsistencies between what you say and other medical exams you've had. You should also understand that you're going to be observed from the moment you pull in, from the time you pull into the parking lot and get out of your car, to the time you're sitting in the waiting room, how you're sitting, how long you're sitting, and how you walk back to the exam room. So the exam really starts the moment you arrive. Next, you should ask for a copy of any documents that you sign or fill out during an independent medical exam, and they should give you a copy. Once you're back home, especially if you didn't have someone with you who was taking notes, take really good notes about exactly what happened, how long it took, the tests that were done, and anything that the doctor told to you. This could be useful to you if your case ends up in court. Call the Coppola Firm if you'd like to talk to us about any injuries that you've had. Our contact information is as follows.